This is the frustrating part about buying a car. He didn't do anything wrong. The entire business did something wrong.
Thank you for calling Bell Toyota Sales. This is Abby. How can I help you?
Hey, Abby, I just want to see if you guys have a car available.
Yeah, absolutely. What's the make and model?
It is a Grand Highlander hybrid limited all-wheel drive hybrid.
Should be here probably by the end of the month, I'm guessing.
Okay, perfect, awesome. So I'm super interested in this car. Live in Illinois, so love it. Really just trying to get some pricing on it and hopefully put a deposit to hold it.
Let me get some information from you real quick, and then I will get you over to my sales manager, okay?
Sounds great.
All right, what's your first and last name?
First name Tommy, last name Makula.
And is this a good phone number for you?
Yep, this is the best number to reach.
Where did you end up seeing this vehicle at, on our website or the Toyota website?
Oh, on your website.
Okay. I will go ahead and get you over to Dave, and he can give you all the information on the pricing and things like that, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Well, it's Dave. I can help you.
Hey, Dave, it's Tommy.
How can I help you out, sir?
I was getting transferred to you. You were supposed to get me some great numbers on a car.
We just got to back it up a moment here and tell me what we're talking about, and then I'm the guy.
Yeah, no worries. Grand Highlander Hybrid Limited.
The black.
This is the frustrating part about buying a car. He didn't do any.
I want to stop and add some things right there. I've seen so many of this gentleman's videos. I'm going to leave the feedback out of it, but here's 3 things that I want to leave our industry with so that we can give the best experience. If your store operates where there's handoffs, here's 3 things that you can put in place to make sure that if you do end up on this guy's channel, you're flowing. You all right? So number 1, what I wrote down in my notes was the transfer. We call this the gap in the industry. It's when the customer's asking for something and the person who's on the phone is not able to answer that question. So there's a gap of time between we transfer that over to the manager. So it's not over, or it could be a salesperson. It's not about just transferring the information. It's about transferring trust. Let the customer know exactly what's going to happen, but internally we have to practice those things and make sure that we're ready for those transfers when this situation just happens. So if you watch the full video, it doesn't feel like this has been practiced or trained on much. It's just like the whole conversation starts over when the customer gets over to the manager. Next thing is that handoff experience when the manager does talk to them should be a little bit of a recap to make sure, hey, did my team answer all the questions? Is there anything that would have made our experience better for you? Because they would learn from this experience right here that the handoff is maybe not as tight, but getting feedback from customers to make sure everything is perfect is one way to go ahead and knock this out. But number 3, which is like my favorite jam, is before whoever that was, whether it was a BDC rep or sales rep, whoever, before you transfer over to a sales manager or a salesperson, always establish what's going to happen next. So I'm going to get you this information. I'll get the information from you, get you over to my leadership team. I'm going to talk to them first. But when everything sounds good to you and you're comfortable, what's the next step we would take? And so this sets up what's called a trial close in our business to make sure that we have a full understanding. Is there any other objections? But next, what is the customer going to do? Is this going to be a delivery? Is this going to be a pickup? But this is a better way to set up for a warm transfer. So I hope you all use this information, take some from it, what you can. So the next time you might be on this person's show, Mr. Delivrd, you're ready and you look phenomenal with it. Thanks so much.